let's just take a look at it. Oh my, that is awesome. That is just beyond my expectations, actually. Like, what? Since the ChatGPT's image generation update, we have been seeing an influx of generated ads for the companies. As you can see here on my LinkedIn, I just looked at for GPT creative ad, or you can now actually look for GPT product ads, and you will be seeing tons of different ads that are created with and by ChatGPT's new image generation tool. I mean, it works really nice, but as you can see here on my screen, they look really nice. They look realistic and HD, whatnot. But there is only one common denominator to all of these created ads, which is actually they're all static. What I mean by that, they're not moving. This is not a video. This is just a created image that is indicating that is showing you the product, how good it is. I mean, what are the features, what are specs of the product, or whatever. But what are we gonna do today in this video is actually create a dynamic one. How to create one? Actually, we're gonna use again ChatGPT, but in this case, we will also sending the initial image of the scene to the VO3, Gemini's new video generator. So this Gemini video generator will be generating a dynamic ad for my company, for your company, for our companies. All right, for free. Actually, you can actually access it via Google AI Studio, which actually provides you a free resource for your generated AI videos. So you can either use this one or Google's Gemini if you have a pro plan like me. And today I will be just using my pro account because I'm not paying $200 for nothing. So I was just using it in this video. I mean, I'm not paying it actually. I'm just a student, and they're just giving away the pro account for free for the students. Anyway, so let's just get started. So this is my prompt, and you can actually find this prompt in the comment section of this video. So here's you can see, and I actually prompt name IKEA gaming console assembly, base style, aspect ratio, room description, whatever. Tons of different details about the entire process, and we have the key elements: ultra thin gaming desk, ergonomic chair, whatever. And we have also the sequence, which contains timestamps. So up to 8 seconds. Like if you have the ultra membership, maybe I don't know if they have like any more premium memberships for the Gemini, but I'm using Pro, and they allow me to create videos up to 8 seconds. So 8 seconds limit right now here for video. So let's just get started. But the first initial step is actually create the first image of the first scene of my prompt. So this was my prompt, and this was the result. I just added this, create an image of first scene of my prompt, ultra realistic HD, and then I just pasted my prompt here on the chat, and this was the result. I'm gonna download it and just pass it to my Gemini. There you go. And this is my final prompt. I mean, this is the exact same prompt that I was using here, but I just added this sentence here to create an initial image of this prompt. So once you get that, you just select the videos with VO3 Gemini's video tool, and add the photo, and there you go. We're ready to go. Once I click that button, it will be generating a video for me based on the initial image here. There you go. Based on the image and detailed description you provided. There you go. That's beautiful. So this can take 1 to 2 minutes, and we'll be just seeing results in a bit. Okay, here she is. I'm just gonna press the play button, and we'll be just starting. Let's just take a look at it. Oh my, that is awesome. That is just beyond my expectations, actually. Like, what? That's crazy. Now we have the dynamic ad too, instead of having just static, boring ads. There you go. That's crazy. That's crazy. You just witness that the entire process is actually really easy to create one dynamic ad like this one on my screen. So if you're an AI enthusiast for like me, follow me and subscribe on this channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.